Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to do a little quick share on a purchase I made from the Disney Designer Collection. As you can see, it's the Midnight Masquerade series. It is a limited edition. She is 1 out of 4,400 and she is Lady Tremaine. And Lady Tremaine was the stepmother of Cinderella, if you do not know. But look at, oh, sorry, didn't mean to hit you. She's so big and awkward. It's very awkward, I can't film her. But do you see her? I'm sorry for all the glares. See her dress. I tried to get the pins. That's what I really wanted. And I will consider trading her for some pins or ears, since I'm missing some from some collections. But yeah, she comes in this nice box. This is the artwork on the back. Lady Tremaine. And you can, sorry, the glare, yeah. But she's under there. She is there. So yeah, just my little quick Disney share. Do you guys collect any Disney merchandise? Leave it in the comments below. I would love to hear about what you collect, even if it's not Disney. Welcome to all my new subscribers, and for those of you returning, welcome back. Here are some other videos. And for more videos, like and subscribe. Until my next video, shakas.